This is the 3 keys to overcoming social anxiety for good. Can you relate to this? The thought of going out equals dread and panic, but another weekend alone sounds sad and miserable. You feel stuck between a rock and a hard place. When you do go out, you freeze, overthink everything, and feel embarrassed. It doesn't go well. You feel like a burden, like nobody wants you there, even if you were invited. Approaching is terrifying, so new relationships never start. Afterwards, you replay every awkward moment, every line you take back, and you beat yourself up. Your self-esteem drops. Every failed social situation feels just like more proof that I can't do this, I'm just too broken. And the regret piles up. Missed dates, friendships, and opportunities continue to pass you by, and it weighs heavy. The thought of it kills your motivation, and so you retreat. And then comparison hits. You'll be doom scrolling on your phone, seeing everybody else connecting and growing on social media, while you're at home feeling like a failure. How do I know all this? This was my daily life for nearly a decade. I thought I was broken. I tried therapy, medication, confidence tips, and more, but nothing worked, and I blamed myself. Then I discovered the 3 keys, and everything changed. I realized I wasn't broken, I was using the wrong tools. It's like trying to eat soup with a fork. It's never gonna work. And is that your fault? No, it's the wrong tool. Here's 3 reasons watching the rest of the training is worth your time. Number 1, I'm living proof this works. I had crippling social anxiety. Everywhere I went in public, I was putting my head down, thinking everybody was judging me. I was miserable. I was suicidally depressed. I had no friends, no dating, no nothing. Then, after I used these 3 keys, I was able to date beautiful women confidently. I could publicly speak. I could make tons of friends. I had rich, fulfilling relationships in my life, and I got to go on amazing adventures. And I found an amazing partner with a loving, committed relationship, and we're still together today. Watch till the end, and you're gonna learn the number 1 social skill for unlimited relationships. I've helped over 100 clients successfully using these 3 keys. So if it works for other people, why wouldn't it work for you? Clients like Thomas, bad social anxiety to celebrity level confidence. There's him with Josh Beck from Drake and Josh. Clients like Matthew, who was depressed, too anxious, failing out of high school. And in 2 months, he overcame social anxiety, graduated on time, started getting in shape, making new friends. Like Sergio, very insecure, overthinking everything, couldn't talk to girls without freaking out, to being able to have a car full of cute girls wanting to hang out with him and friends and an amazing social life and confidence. So number 3, this actually works. You can get immediate relief from the comfort of your home, and you can get results in weeks, not years. This is what somebody had to say after their first experience with these tools. So here are the 3 keys. Number 1, emotional release. Number 2, mental rewiring. And number 3, social skills. The first one, emotional release. This is about eliminating the root cause of your social anxiety. Social anxiety is fueled by repressed emotional pain. Things like repressed shame, fear, depression, self-hate, etc. If you release this fuel, social anxiety has nothing to go on and it fades away. So how do we release this emotional pain? We use the ATR method. So here's the first step to the ATR method. Step 1, the A stands for awareness. You need to become aware of the repressed suffering inside of you that's fueling your social anxiety. And this can come from things like unprocessed bullying from childhood, social traumas, rejection, bad parenting, you name it. Step 2, we need to trigger and activate the stuck emotions so that they can process. And the third step is release. We need to release the resistance to those feelings so they can flow out of our system. This is just like how your body fights food poisoning, for example. The first step is your body becomes aware that it's been poisoned. Then, once it realizes, it triggers its immune response to heal itself. Then it releases the poison. It literally purges it out of your body through vomiting or defecation. It expels it. This is how your body works. It's all based in science. And so the next step is mental rewiring. This is rewiring toxic beliefs and negative self-identity. You cannot attract loving relationships if you don't love yourself. So how do we change this? Your mind is like a computer, and your beliefs are the programs that tell it how to operate. If I believe that I'm a loser, I will show up and act like one, and other people can tell, and they will treat me accordingly. On the same side, if I believe I am awesome, others will feel that from me, and they'll treat me that way. So just like key number 1, we start with awareness. We need to do an audit of your current negative belief systems so we know what is going wrong and what we need to rewire. Then we select new belief systems that are in alignment with the person we want to become. So ask yourself, what beliefs would the best version of myself hold to be true? Now we get evidence to reinforce those new beliefs. We go out, we meet people, we have a bunch of fun, and we get proof, evidence that these new positive belief systems are true. Once you do the first key and you emotionally release, it makes going out feel safe and achievable. So once you feel that, then you're ready to start getting new evidence that those negative beliefs like, oh, I'm a loser, I have nothing good to say, people don't like me, etc. We prove those beliefs wrong. So here's the last key, social skills. This is about learning effective and authentic ways to build quality friendships and romantic connections. Once you feel comfortable and safe, and once you believe in yourself and you know that you're worthy, then you can learn some really useful social skills to make the process of having an abundance of positive relationships very easy. And I'm going to teach you the number one most valuable social skill right now. Be more interested than interesting. Get out of your head and get into theirs. A socially anxious person is worried about how they're being perceived by others. But a truly secure and confident person is curious about getting to really know the people around them and seeing if they're a good match. So what's the easiest way to get people to appreciate you? It's by asking them really good questions about themselves and what they're already interested in. And at that point, now you don't have to carry the conversation. When you make people feel appreciated, they will appreciate you. If they feel good talking to you, they will associate those good feelings to you. And so they're gonna wanna continue to be around you. If you want to learn how to apply these 3 keys specifically to your life and start seeing results immediately, then book a free intro call with this link below, calendly.com/Coach Oliver Lynch/one-on-one. The link will be down in the video description. So go down below this video, check the description, and you should find the link. You can copy and paste it into your browser so I can help create a customized plan for you to use these 3 keys to specifically help you in your situation and so you can start getting results fast. You can also find a clickable link if you go on Instagram and go to my account at Coach Oliver Lynch. That's the first link you'll find in my bio. It's the same link. You can go ahead and book your call there.
What's going on? What's up, dude? Having fun? Good, man. Best time of your life. I love it, dude.
My name is Salar Konechi, and I had some really bad anxiety and depression. I was stuck in a bad rut before. I could not, for the life of me, go talk to anyone or talk to a girl or do any of that. For 30 years, I've been building it up. I felt like I was going to have a heart attack, but now I can, and I have the confidence to do it thanks to Oliver. He really changed my whole life around. I couldn't ask for a better coach and a mentor, and I can't recommend anyone more than Oliver because he released me from that. And I want that for you too. I know you're thinking like, I'm scared. I don't feel like talking to someone about my problems, and I want to keep it to myself. I'm telling you, that is the wrong mentality. You got to actually like open up and let Oliver help you. It's just the way to go. And there is no doctor that can solve anxiety or depression without drugs, really. He has done it.